Oh my. Woo! Ah! She's saying, oh no. Oh no.
Alright, what? Oh, okay. Here you go.
This is their nightly activity. Again. She's requested it every day since he showed her. Poor dad. Oh no! Ah! Ah! She thinks that was on purpose. Again? Dad?
You're too big. Dad's tired. Let's put some jams on.
She whispered no.
Oh. Bye.
He's done already, you mean?
Hey.
That's all he could do?
You quit it.
Is this what happens when you have children in your mid-30s?
Quit it, Mama. Quit picking on Daddy.
Oh, are you so tired? Oh, that's so sleepy. That's a tired. What? She just said crying. Are you crying or are you just being quiet? Oh, she's crying. Oh. Why are you sad? Are you pretending to be sad? Oh, poor baby. Should I pat you on the back? Here. Poor baby. She's so sad. Are you happy? Oh, now she's happy. Oh, good. Oh, no. She's sad again? She's looking for your reaction. Dad, what do you think about your sad baby?
I think she's a faker.
Oh, that seemed the saddest of all. Oh, that was so sad.
Baby.
Yeah?
Baby.
Oh, baby. Again. Oh my. Oh, wow.
No. It's bedtime. Night.
Can you believe that? Now would be a good time to bust out that fake cry.
No.
Say crying! Should I not be teaching you that?
You should not. She will know it on her own. Mama's
Right now
mean
it's
to
just
me.
for fun.
Should we do tickle? Oh, yeah. One foot.
Are you happy or sad? Oh. That
Hey, your
sounds
foot's not
sad.
fitting.
Are you sad? Is it because Dad's doing your pajamas? Show me happy. Say, I'm happy. Show me excited. Good. Show me scared. That one's a hard one. Go. Show me mad. Mad's like, "Arr." Show me grumpy. Yeah. Good one. Show me tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Show me happy again.
You're gonna be a little mad because we have a dirty face.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. Got it.
Say mad. Oh. Sad. Good job on your feelings. We work on those every day, huh? Your favorite one is happy. Thank the heavens.